Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can play Spotify music while playing Roblox. So first of all, you want to go ahead on Spotify and let's, for example, play a song. Now, after you have started to play the song, you want to go ahead to Roblox and, for example, go ahead and enter some game. Let's go ahead, for example, here. Click on it. Now, once you enter the game, the Spotify has stopped, so you need to now swipe down and again play the song. Now, I suggest you to go to Roblox, go to settings, scroll down until you see volume, and you want to go ahead and make it on mute. And that's probably it. Now, let's go back to Spotify, play it again, and it should work just fine. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to this channel, like a video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.